Hello, my friends. Here I am again working on the journal for a coffee lover. But I need to tell you something. In the last video, I wrapped all the cover using this coffee bag. But look at what is happening. This material is not getting glued into the cardstock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my staple, and I'm gonna have some staples around here for a coffee lover. So this is the second one and a third one. So that's the only way we can have it, so this is not gonna move anymore. And that's gonna be a pocket. So I'm gonna staple it already. I don't have a sewing machine, otherwise I'll be like sewing this in order to have my material on place, but that's not possible. So here I already have a pocket, and I'm gonna be doing the same in the back. And as you can see here, I have a bunch of stuff. I really have a bunch of stuff. I have a lot of things that I want to use in this journal for these coffee lovers. So now I'm gonna go in the back this way, so the smooth side goes outside to the border. So I'm gonna change it right away. This is the only way I have to do this because, as I said, I don't have a sewing machine and I really want to finish this journal. And here and here. And I want to see if I can reach that border. I can't. Why not having a pocket on the back cover? That would be a nice idea because this is not going to be destroyed by anything. And this is what I have for the cover. I want to show you that in the middle, in the 2 pages, I use coffee to coffee dye this part, and also went all the way here, like making a border. I love it because actually this is a coffee lover journal, so the smell is super good, it's nice, and I like it. I have this amazing package here. It belongs to Solette Comfort, like for shoes and stuff, but I want to have it here, and I'm gonna cut it. All right, I can feel the smell of coffee while I'm working. Okay, so I'm super happy with this. I also have this bill. Of course, it's not a real one, but I'm going to use it in the back here. And I also have this paper from Sicily, and Sicily is well known but good coffee, by good coffee, and a lot of dessert. You can really enjoy Sicily with a lot of coffee and ice cream. Or probably I can go with this Sherlock Holmes. I'm gonna go with this, and I'm going to glue it here just in the center. I want to keep the number, I like it. And let me bring my glue. All right, in the back. So I first glue it, and I'm going to cut it. Right, here I need to write something. I need to type it on the computer. Run for coffee, or coffee make you happy, or follow the path of coffee. That's going to be what we're gonna have on the computer. So I'm gonna write it down. So follow the path of coffee. So this way I don't forget. I have to type this on the computer. I'm gonna bring it here. Okay, let's look inside. Actually, I want to go with this little cups there, and I'm going to hang those little cups here. I'm gonna leave pages, and I'm gonna punch the hole just in the between the the two halves. You see the crease here, so you punch it in the center. That way you're gonna have a place to hang your how can I say, your charms. um, as you can see, I'm not using anything fancy, anything special, like special tools, special scissors or anything very, very specialized. I'm just using what I have on hand, and I think this is going to work pretty good. So you fold your thread this way and you place it inside the hole, and probably you're looking at this and you can say, oh, what is Maria going to do with that coming from a white packaging? So let's see. I'm going to show you in a moment, because this has like a little window and it's also a door. So what I'm going to do is just, I'm going to get rid of the plastic if I can. Otherwise I'm going to use my scissors. This is really, really powerful glue. So let's do it this way, because we don't need the plastic actually. And I'm gonna clean it in a moment. This is gonna go. Now it's coming out. And actually that is a super, super good glue. So I'm gonna use it here. That is this. Probably I'm gonna use this profile here. So this is there. And see, I'm using the same glue. It was really, really hard glue and really good glue. And so I changed tasks. I was doing this and I switched to this one. I'm sorry about it, but I was like kind of inspired in this little door that we have here. It's also a frame. And as you can see here, when I open it, now you can see this profile here. And I still have some glue coming, so I'm gonna just leave it upside down here, and we're gonna be gluing it in just a moment. So now I want to tell you something. I have more packaging, and I'm gonna finish hanging the little cups. I can't wait to finish this journal because it's different, because we're doing something really, really nice and something that probably you haven't seen in this channel, in any other channel. So I love original stuff. I like to be creative, as I have been telling you a lot of times. And also I want to add something besides the cups that weighs a little bit. So I need something like it's heavy. Okay, this is what we have. Let's see what we have. I want something different. Probably this little star. I like it. It's probably nothing to do with coffee, but it goes with this pink of the cup. And we can see them when we have a journal in the shelf. Oh wow, looking at so much coffee and so much and too much beautiful packaging, I really want some coffee. So the weather is really, really hot. We are having almost 40 Celsius degrees. I don't know, 97, 98. This has been really, really terrible. Okay, here we are. I love it, and I think it came really, really nice and wonderful. Now let's see what is going to happen. Let me make sure that this is facing up. Change. Okay. Oh, and I have a map. Okay, I like it because it's like coffee is everywhere. So let's write the second quote. Coffee is everywhere. I like it for the cover. This is for the back. And also I would like to have it here. I don't know if he knew about coffee. This is an emperor, a monarch, and actually the name of the monarch butterfly came out of this monarch here. Okay, so I have to type three things on the computer. I can trace the shape, so I'm gonna do it here, probably placing this on top, okay? And with a pencil I need just to go and do the shape like so. The idea is for you to have the line, you see? It's an easy way to trace something you really want.
And I'm going to go here. I hope this fits very well on top of that frame that we have, the little door. Yes, this is super.
Did you know that this is going to continue? Yes, we're going to have another episode about this amazing journal related with coffee and with passion for coffee. This is what we have so far, and I see you soon in my next episode. So remember, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. I see you soon. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends.